Alright, this is the elevator here at the Boscov store, Deptford Mall, Deptford, New Jersey. It was originally an Otis, but look what it is now. Here we are at 3. Going up?
Yes, second.
2? Okay. Have a good day.
You too.
This store used to be John Wanamaker's, and this was originally an Otis Lexan. Then in 2021 it got this icky KONE modernization. Guess we can end the tour on 2.
Hello.
And that's it.